short-term and long-term plans for the festival? And how is this edition different from last year?
Ako po pala. Really, the long term is, alam niyo po yun, right now, we're very proud of our coffee. The long term is really yung samahan po kung makikita po nyo dito. There are 500 entrepreneurs, from micro to large entrepreneurs, dito po sa Batangas. So ang talagang purpose po ni Secretary Recto is lahat ng entrepreneurs magkaroon ng chance na lumago palalo ang kanilang business. This is not just about kasayahan, but giving Batanggenyo sa chance. 500, more than 500 business owners, establishment, artisan, farmers ang kasali po dito. That's the idea. And currently, we're very proud na last year, 200,000. We hope na matarget namin yung 300,000. Ngayon po, puno na po. Puno na ang mga hotel, puno yung mga restaurant. That's the idea. And then po, kung bakit nandito, lagi po kasi natin na parang mahirap magsama yung private at saka government. Alam niyo po, pag tama yung vision, I think malayo pa po mararating ng Barako Fest. Ayun po. Ayan. Thank you.
And so for my second question for Ate B, Luis, and so what are your thoughts on political dynasty?
Okay. Matagal nyo nang inaantay ang sagot na yan. Gusto ko talaga yung dynasty.
With all honesty, we just don't want to entertain that. We are here to serve and people will judge us. That's all.
Babalikan ko lang din, we simply submit ourselves to the electoral process and basta hatid namin ay yung paglilingkod na gusto namin ibigay sa bawat Batanggenyo. Kung saan mapunta ang pangarap namin sa paglilingkod, kung saan namin gusto ilagay ang puso namin, nakasalalay sa botante yun.
Well, I think my brother said it perfectly naman. Yeah, we're simply throwing our hat in the ring. We're here to be of service to the people, and ultimately, the choice will always be theirs. That's about it.
Ayan. At saka yun po. Ayun man. Dagdag na rin namin, tingnan nyo naman yung kalaban, kami lang tinitingnan ninyo. Diba? Lahat po ng kalaban namin, kung yun ang definisyon. But ito po, I'm very proud to be working with the Recto family. Si Congresswoman Vilma Santos po ang principal author ng Free Public College at Universal Healthcare. Pati na rin po, yung mga congressman po na kasama natin dito, ang Batanggenyo po is very proud of our result.
Yeah, kasama ko si Dianda, Comar,
yes.
Si Ate Maited. Yan ang mga kasama ko na bumoto ng free college sa public universities. And then at the same time, yung ating 4Ps.
Yes.
And then at the same time,
Doktor para sa bayan po.
Universal Healthcare Law. Yan,
So,
yan ang mga pinaglaban namin. Tama kong Marvin yan? Tama ba? Yan, si Ate Maited, nandiyan ba? Okay. Colyantes.
Yes. So proud po kami dito. Yung buong grupo po na ito, hindi lang po Batanggenyo nakikinabang, kundi buong Pilipinas po. Yan po yung pagsasama namin dito lahat. Ayan. The leadership po ni Kong Vilma Santos. Next! Yan, second question. Diba? Dapat siguro mas matutunan ng mga tao to be discerning kung paano nakikita resulta ang hanapin. Tama. Yun siguro ang pinakamahalaga. Irregardless po, result. Ayan, next po, mula naman po sa Malaya, ayan, Pinoy News Central. Tawagin po natin si Sir Jemuel Kengetsalterio. Asa po si Sir Jemuel? Ayan.
Hi, good evening. My question is for Luis and Christian. Many celebrities enter politics and they somehow struggle with policy making and governance. So how do you wish or how do you plan to bridge that gap between your popularity and actual leadership?
I think siguro we don't need to look that far, no? The perfect example would be my mom. Nakikita naman natin, my mom started acting when she was 9 years old. Tapos nagsimula ka sa public service.
As mayor, 20, ano ba? 19? Ha? Nung first, 1920,
1928?
Malayo po yung masyado.
Medyo matindi yun ah. Gusto ka bang aminin sa amin?
98.
1998. I guess that's the perfect example. Before becoming the mayor of Lipa, wala naman unang-unang sapak si Momski. So from mayor ng Lipa, nakita natin, naging gobernador ng Batangas, naging part din siya ng Congress, at in fact, naging Lingkod Bayan awardee. Diba? One of the highest awards na pwede makuha ng public servant, if not the highest award. At lahat ng yan nagsimula sa artista lang. So nakita natin kung ano ang pwedeng tahakin na landas ng isang artista sa pagiging isang lingkod bayan.
Thank you for the question. I think like what my brother said, I'm fortunate enough to say that I won't have to look far. And not only do I have two great mentors in my parents, my dad, Secretary Ralph Recto, and my mom, Governor Vilma Santos Recto, but I would attribute, I know I have a lot to learn, but I'm also fortunate enough to say that kung papalarin ho ako, may mga kasama po ako mga congressman na nanditine, all of the councilors here, all of the mayors here, lahat ng mga bukal, lahat po ng mga kapitan, I'm 100% sure I'll be able to learn a lot from each and every one of them. And I know for a fact I'm willing to work hard to be of service to the people. And I'm lucky enough to say that I'm not alone. So, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Ayan, salamat. And trivia po pala, mula po sa pamilyang Recto, there are more than 200 landmark laws passed. Combined po ni Congresswoman Vilma Santos at ni Senator Ralph Recto. At yun po yung mga batas na nagligtas sa atin, nagligtas sa ekonomiya ng Pilipinas. Yan po ang tatak ng Batanggenyo. Ayan, next! Ayan o, last! Napipitin ka, ma'am? Para naaliw ka. Ayan, okay. Masaya kasi po itong pag-usapan, di ba? Alam mo po, bawal mag-stereotyping, di ba? Kung may problema kayo dun sa ibang artista, tama? Huwag nyo kami na. Next! Ayan, mula naman po sa Rydell PH. Ayan, Sir Jojo Panaligan. Ayan, Sir Jojo. Sarap to.
Magandang hapon po. Magandang gabi. Tanong ko po kay Governor Vilma. Kanina po doon sa isang speech, may binanggit po na medyo nadugyot daw ang Batangas. So, pag kayo po ang pinalad, ano po ang pinakaunang gusto nyong mawala at pinakaunang gusto nyong ibalik para nga maibalik ang dangal ng Batangas?
So I hope you don't mind me saying, I did not make mention dugyot. Si George, I did not make mention dugyot. For correction lang. Ang akin lang, siguro, binanggit ni Kong Marvy kanina, which is, God knows, and it's true, Kong Marvy, nahilingan lang ako ng mga mayors talaga bumalik. Sa totoo lang, na sana daw, if I can go back, para maging nanay uli ng lalawigan, ang hiniling lang naman nila sa akin is, mabalik lang yung health program ko eh. Yung priorities na yan. Actually, yung health ko, acronym yan health, acronym yan. Hearts program, I'm so sorry. Hearts program, maibalik ko lang yung Hearts program. Acronym yan. And to enhance it more. Kasi ang kanilang naman, kaya gusto nilang maibalik, ay para mabigyan uli ng focus yung tinatawag nating basic needs. Again, fast lang Hearts program, H stands for health, E for education and environment, A for agriculture. Batangas still 60% agricultural province. R for roads and infrastructure. Kita naman, yung nakita kanina, right? Isa yan sa prioridad namin. And then T for tourism and technology. Yan na teknolohiya na tayo ngayon. We need new blood. And of course, S for security and social services. Yan lang. And to enhance it more. At kung magagawa namin yan, with all the help ng bawat leaders na isang bayan, I think kahit paano, makakaramdam uli kami ng progress pa sa amin pong lalawigan. So, tapos bukod sa Hearts, may Lucky pa. O, di ba? Yun lang yun.
Salamat.
Thank you very much.
Okay, second to the last.
Sorry,
Kong Marvy.
Congressman Marvy.
Ayan, Kong Marvy.
Brian, sorry
No problem, no problem.
Gusto ko lang dagdagan. Ito po kasi yung panahon na pinakamagandang opportunity sa ating lahat sa lalawigan. Kailan pa po merong nakaupong secretary na taga Batangas? Hanggang 2028 po, merong secretary ng finance. Ang secretary ng finance po, siya po naghahawak ng buong pananalapi ng buong Pilipinas. At syempre, alam niya naman may influence yan kapag project ang pinag-uusapan. So, ang hindi po siguro ninyo nare-realize yung pagsasama-sama ng teamwork. Pag si Governor Vilma Santos po, syempre nag-request, may plano, nag-request kay Secretary Raf, ang mas mabilis po yun kaysa yung wala tayong secretary. So, this is the best opportunity for the lalawigan na matupad lahat ng pangarap natin. Wala na pong ibang mas magandang panahon